Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy New Year's. All right, YouTube, Happy New Year's. Shout out to all my team out there. Hope everybody's doing strong. Hope everybody's putting that work in on an every single day basis. All right, it's really up to you. All right, this video right here, I'm just gonna give you a brief. It's gonna be a cash out video. I'm gonna show you some lifetime stats. And this video is basically going to show you and tell you what we have in store for 2020. All right, so in 2020, a lot of new things are going to happen with my channel. A lot of new things are going to happen with the team. All right. The reason why I do what I do is I like to help people out, because as soon as people get help and they understand how to make money online and they understand the in and outs, they start investing in themselves, buying courses, buying books, reading, looking for better ways to have different streams of income. Now, once one of my online team members finds a course that works out great, they say if it's Amazon or whatever Amazon seller, they do that. They do a course. They start their own Amazon sellers, have their own Amazon store, and they start making money. 9 times out of 10, that person is going to reach out back to me. They're going to reach back to me, let me know what's going on. Yeah, I'm doing Amazon now. I did this course, this, that, and third. Now I can pay you for your services. I can pay you. You can teach me how to do an Amazon course or whatever course you got going on. You could teach me how to do it. I could implement it. Then we could create something together to where everybody on the team signs up. You know what I'm saying? They pay a small fee. They like almost like a course. They pay. You teach them how to do it. Everybody gets paid. All right, and you get paid. The people that's buying is happy because they know how to do a course now. They know how to make money now. They're making different money, making higher money. So it's a lot of different things. This is why I made my system. So you always have money to invest. You always have money to put up. You always have money to do something with, instead of just being like, oh, this is my 9 to 5 money. I can't spend this. I got bills I got to pay this week. I can't spend this. So there's really no excuse once you start adopting my system and using it on an every single day basis. All right. Shout out to the online team. I ain't 7,000 subscribers plus. Appreciate all the love. Hit me up. All right, hit me up. Ask me anything. I'm getting so many different comments on my Instagram. Just keep DMing me. I'll message you back within the same day. All right, I message you back usually within the same day. All right, so this is gonna be a PrizeRebel. This is gonna be a PrizeRebel cash out right here. You see, I'm a diamond member right here. $28.04 right here. I'm gonna go to my lifetime points. $5,766.08. This is the reason why I do this right here. All right, this is the reason why I do this. Even if I'm making $2, $3, $4 a day every single day, I've been doing this for I think 2 years now. 2 years. So in 2 years, I got 5,000 and some change for free. So you have to understand like the power of my system, the power of what I'm telling you to do. Like, it's up to you. If you want to put some work in every single day, share your link. You know, have people sign up, start getting referral earnings right here. It's up to you. Look, I only made $13.71 this month. It's fifth day of the month. I only made $13.71. So it's not like I'm going crazy here making hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day, and then next thing you know, you end up having $5,766.08. So it's up to you. It's up to you. All right, cashing out $5, $10, $20 every single day, it adds up. It starts to add up. All right. Look, rank 29. Only 28 people have better stats than me. All right, only 28 people in the world have better stats than me using the site. So you have to understand the power. All right, you have to understand the power. Diamond member right here. Didn't earn no points today. Only earned $1.46 yesterday. Pros earned this month $13.71 this year, first year of the month, for first month of the year. So $13.71 here. Rewards claim. This is 429 times I cashed out. That's what rewards claim me. I cashed out 429 times. Even if I cash out $5 at 429 times, people, like, you have to do the math. So just start using my system, people. All right, this is my #1 money maker, PrizeRebel right here. All right, it's up to you. All right, always use the link in the description. See if you can get a bonus, a promotional bonus to start off. All right, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go to rewards, and then for 2020, I have a lot of things in store. I'm having a lot of videos coming out. It's gonna be a lot of how-to videos. I've been going over my channel for a while now, and for the last 2 weeks, I've been going over my channel, and so much I could do. So much I could do more. I know it's free online money maker, but I really got to teach you guys different. I just want to teach you guys everything that I learned. Everything that I learned that's useful, that I use in my life, I'm going to teach you guys. All right. So it's going to be a lot of how-to videos. All right. A lot's going to be on self-help, a lot's going to be on health, a lot's going to be on finances. All right. So a lot's going to be on attitude. So it's going to help you. These different videos are going to help you out, keep you in the right mind frame on an every single day basis, because it's very difficult to stay focused 365 days of the year when you have life throwing different things at you on an every single day basis. So it's definitely hard to stay focused and do what you got to do. But there's no excuse, because we have to. All right, you got family, you got friends, you got people depending on you. All right, so you have no other choice. All right, so this is going to be a $20 cash out right here. And what I'm going to do is probably next month, maybe February on, I'm not going to cash out anymore on one of my sites. I'm not sure which one yet, but I just want to show you guys the power. So I'm going to take maybe one or two money makers that I use, and I'm not going to cash out for the whole year. All right, I'm just going to leave it all the way up until late December and cash out then, just to show you guys the power. Because I think you guys are taking it for granted. $5, $10, $20, $30 every single day. It adds up, and it can really help you out on an every single day basis. It's going to be a $20 cash out right here. Let me claim this item. So in 2020, a lot of different how-to videos I'm going to bring to you guys. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I've just been super busy. Last 3 to 6 months been terrible. All right, so I had to get my 9 to 5 straight. I had to get things in order. I got a couple of things in order, so right now it's just going to be about putting everything together. All right, it's going to be putting everything together, staying disciplined, and making sure that you're investing in yourself every single day. All right, make sure you invest in yourself every single day. All right, make sure you're learning, make sure you're buying books, make sure you're buying courses, do something so you can better yourself, so you can learn how to create another stream of income. All right, what I'm showing you is a different stream of income, but it's minimal. So once you start using my system, you start making money, you take that money, you put to something else, and you find a different way. All right, we're not going to be using my system forever, because we got to level up. All right, so this is why I created my system, so that anybody can just start making money online. There is no, I need this, I need that. No, just get up on here, watch a couple tutorials, sign up, put your information in, and start making money online. It's plain and simple. All right, now it's up to you what you start being disciplined. What are you spending the money on? All right, it's up to you. Always make sure you're spending money on something that's going to create a stream of income, something that's going to pay you back, something that's going to be valuable to you, something that's going to be useful. All right, don't just start throwing your money around, spending it on going to the movies, going to the mall, buying clothes. You can't do all that right now. Right now, you got to get to the point where you're creating a stream of income. You have that stream of income paying you every day, every week, every month. Then you create another stream of income that's doing the same thing. You do the same thing, and you just keep rinsing and repeating. This is what the wealthy people are doing. They're just rinsing and repeating. Once they have once they have like 5 or 6 different streams of income paying them every month, now they'll go buy a car. Now they'll go buy a fancy house. Now they'll go buy this, they'll go buy that. But at first, they're spending their money on businesses and stuff that's going to make them more money as far as investments. All right, so that's what we have to do first. Then after that, you could go buy a Lamborghini, you could go buy cars, you could go, ladies, you get your nails done every day, or whatever the hell you guys want to do. Like, it's up to you. All right, it's up to you. I'm trying to really help everybody out there. I don't want people just making money and spending money on nothing, and then next thing you know, a year goes by, you didn't level up, you didn't create anything. Like, I'm trying to really help my team out there. All right, that's why I say hit me up on Instagram, ask me anything. Super transparent. We could go back and forth. I do one-on-one training on Instagram. If you hit me up, ask me any questions. All right. This is a $20 cash out right here. I got $8.04 still left in here. You see the stats right here. Like I said, I'm super transparent. Got all my stats right here, pulling out in the back office. But this is the number one reason why I use my system. Right, over time, it does add up. Like, if I didn't use this system, I wouldn't have this money right here. So it adds up over time. All right. So this is a $20 cash out right here. I'm gonna wait till this processes. Once this processes, I'm gonna cash out another $5. All right. But like I said, once I get to, hopefully I think I should be good in 30 days. So hopefully, starting in February, February 1st, I'm gonna let this account build for the next 11 months. Cash out in December and show you the power of making $2, $3, $7, $8, $9, $10, $20 every single day on a certain site, and you just stay disciplined and let it build. You can actually do something big later on. All right, now I understand if you're first starting off, you need the money. Take that money out, do what you gotta do. All I'm saying is, once you keep doing it, you have to get stabilized. All right, you're gonna have to find a time that you're gonna have to get stabilized. Like, all right, you've been using it for 6 months. You're gonna have to stop, just spending the money on this and that and third. You have to get stabilized, all right? No more overdrafting, always having gas in the car, always having food in the fridge, always having that extra money so you can do what you have to do, all right? No bills are getting paid late, stuff like that. Once you get stabilized, then you can start really taking off and doing big things, all right? So about a month, I should be stabilized. So I'm gonna leave this account right here for 11 months, let it build, show you guys the power of letting it build, take that money out, do something with the money that money comes back in return. So what I would do is I'll probably just use the money that I make here for advertising or marketing for my YouTube channel to get some more subscribers, get more people looking at my channel. So I'll probably do that, and that'll help out over time. All right, so here's a $20 cash. I'm gonna refresh this just to see if this went through. It didn't go through yet. Still waiting. All right. And another thing I want to tell you guys on my channel here, I had got a week suspension, like almost like a week ban, a week suspension on my YouTube channel. Another thing that I was going to do on the 2020 for the YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you guys how to start your own YouTube channel. All right, I'm going to teach you guys everything I know. I was going to put it in a course, but at the end of the day, it's free online MoneyMaker. All right, people. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do everything that I do. As far as setting up my videos, putting things on for free, 100% for free. So I'm just going to be posting videos, how to do this on YouTube, how to create your own channel, how to do this, how to do that, how to get people to, how to get subscribers, so there's going to be a lot of how-to videos on just almost a lot of different things, people. There's going to be a lot of different how-to videos, all right? Stay tuned. I'm getting really, really excited for the future right here. It's all about being disciplined. It's all about grinding, and it's all about making sure you're investing on an every single day basis, all right? Every single day basis, all right? It's 2020. There should be no excuses for anybody. It's already the 5th day of the new year already, all right? If you don't be careful, these days are going to go by so fast. Next thing you know, it's going to be the 5th month of the year, all right? You're going to be going into summertime, and like those 5-6 months, nothing has gotten done. So you have to stay disciplined. You have to be aware of the days every single day. Pay attention to the days. Pay attention to every single day. Take charge and make sure that you do the most you can every single day. All right. Another thing too is I did get banned for a week on YouTube. YouTube didn't allow me to post for a week because I think because one of my FanDuel videos, one of my sports betting videos. All right. I think I'm not supposed to be promoting online betting, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into my channel. I'm gonna actually so this is for my sports betting subscribers out there. I'm gonna erase all my FanDuel videos. All right, all my FanDuel DraftKings videos. I'm gonna erase all of them. All right, because I don't want to keep getting I can't have my channel getting taken down because I'm promoting something and maybe I'm saying something wrong in the video. Cause I know you can do videos on FanDuel and DraftKings, but it's probably something I'm saying. They don't want us to promote online gambling, so I'm probably the way I'm coming off is probably like telling people to go do it. All right, so I'm gonna fix that up, erase all those videos, take those down off the channel, and I'm gonna start new ones. I'm gonna start new how-to videos on FanDuel and DraftKings and stuff like that to help my team out there. Everybody just keep grinding, stay focused, stay educated, and just keep grinding. All right, and go back into PrizeRebel. Let me refresh this just to see if this went through. Payment completed. You see that? January 5th right here, 2020. $20. Let me click this. Payment completed. This is why I love this. You see how fast the payment got completed. Now I'm gonna go to rewards again, and what I'm gonna do with this money right here is I'm gonna check if I got gas. I probably need some gas. Go to Walmart real quick. Shop right there. A couple of things for breakfast for the fam. Put some stuff in the fridge real quick. Something light, people. Something light. But like I said, it's up to you on every single day. Use this money for something that you have to use it for, right? If you have to buy clothes for your kids, if you have to buy sneakers or shoes for you, that's different. That you're actually using it for something. All right, so that's a good reason to use it. Now, right here is a $25 cash out. I'm going to cash this out, put it straight to my PayPal. It's going to go in my PayPal within the next 1 minute, 2 minutes. I'm going to have that in my PayPal. I'm going to transfer that to my PayPal card. Go to the store, buy whatever I need for $25, 100% free. All right, so it's up to you on an everyday basis. I'm trying to really help you out there. I'm trying to really show you the way. It's up to you. Make sure you stay disciplined. It's 2020. Stay focused out there. These how-to videos that I'm putting out are going to be insane. It's going to be a flurry of how-to videos back to back to back, helping my team out there. All right, free online money maker. Happy New Year's. Happy 2020. Get ready. We're about to grind. Peace.